Hello there, dating for no time. So, okay, I don't know if you like, I have to rush this, but, I feel like you can actually some trainings and you will get this, but, you still see this, but, so basically, the main thing about, like, the secrets and all the stuff that I thought, like, again, that's something that breaks the first law. They're all part of something that I've gotten to, concept people, which is basically a story that you never get to actually know what it is. Meaning that you'll never understand it, you'll never know what it is, you'll never get the hang of everything. Don't say any of that. You won't know what it is unless you're like a family member of mine or something. So that's, yeah, so it's basically good waste of your time. So what I'm basically saying is don't